Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you are new here, hi there. My name is Ediomi Henry and I'm a YouTuber based in Uyo, Akwa Ibom State, Nigeria. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I recycled my old jeans to make this beautiful waistcoat that I'm putting on. As a semi-self-taught designer, there are some challenges I do encounter when creating design, but in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I follow step-by-step procedures to create this waistcoat using the original creator's pattern that I use. I'm going to be tagging the creator over here. Now, let me take you along as I show you how I created this in this sewing vlog.